Hello, and welcome to Session 10 of GED Advanced Graphs and Functions. Two lines can relate in special ways. They can be parallel, running side by side, or perpendicular, meeting at a right angle. The secret to both lives in the slopes. Today, you will spot these relationships instantly, even when they are hidden inside equations. Parallel lines never meet. The reason is simple. They have exactly the same slope, so they rise at the same rate and stay the same distance apart forever. Their y-intercepts are different. That is what makes them two separate lines, but their slopes are identical. Equal slope is the signature of parallel. Perpendicular lines cross at a perfect right angle. Their slopes have a beautiful relationship. They are negative reciprocals, which means they multiply to -1. Flip the fraction and change the sign. So 2 and -1/2 are perpendicular, because 2 times -1/2 is -1. Finding a perpendicular slope takes two quick moves. Flip the fraction, then change the sign. Start with 3, which is 3 over 1. Flip it to 1 over 3. Change the sign to -1 over 3. Done. The perpendicular slope to 3 is -1/3. Practice this flip until it is automatic. Here's the step students skip, and it costs them. Before comparing slopes, rewrite each equation into slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Equations in standard form hide the slope. Only once both are solved for y can you safely read and compare the two slopes. Rewrite first, then decide. Let's test two lines. Is y equals 3x plus 1 parallel to 6x minus 2y equals 8? The first slope is clearly 3. The second is in standard form, so we rewrite it. 6x minus 2y equals 8 becomes -2y equals -6x plus 8. And dividing by -2 gives y equals 3x minus 4. Both slopes are 3, so the lines are parallel. One special case to remember. A horizontal line has slope 0. A vertical line has an undefined slope. The negative reciprocal rule breaks down here because you cannot flip 0. But the idea still holds. Any horizontal line and any vertical line are perpendicular, meeting at a clean right angle. Just treat them as a special pair. 3 traps. First, do not compare slopes before rewriting into y equals mx plus b. Second, opposite signs alone do not make lines perpendicular. You must flip the fraction and change the sign. Third, do not forget the horizontal and vertical special case. Careful slope work keeps you right. Let's lock it in. Parallel lines share the same slope with different intercepts. Perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slopes that multiply to -1. Always rewrite equations into slope-intercept form before comparing. And remember that horizontal and vertical lines form a perpendicular pair. Now the slope relationships are clear. Wonderful work today. You can now tell parallel from perpendicular by comparing slopes. Your mastery check is the 10 practice questions for this session. For each one, rewrite to y equals mx plus b, read the slopes, then decide. To read the full lesson notes and practice more GED graphs and functions questions, visit the course page at www.bridge2exam.com. I will see you in session 11, where two lines meet to solve a system. Keep going. You are doing great.